Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm showing you one of my all-time favorite kitchen hacks, how to make your stainless steel pan behave like non-stick. And what you have to do, start by heating your pan over medium heat, not too hot. Once it's heated, do a quick water droplet test. Sprinkle a few drops of water on the surface. If they sizzle and bounce around like little marbles, you're good to go. Now add a small amount of oil, just enough to coat the surface. Let that heat for few seconds, and then gently crack in your egg. And the results, oh my god, the results! A perfectly cooked egg that slides right out of the pan. No sticking, no tearing, and no regrets. Into the regular plastic Ziploc bag or even a clean polythene pouch, and you have to just flatten it out nice and even. Then pop it in the freezer, and once it's frozen solid, take it out and cut it into the cubes, just like a chocolate bar. You now have ready to use portions. Like you need a bit for a curry or a sauce. And you know what, when you have green vegetables and herbs into your house, and what you have to do to make them keep them fresh for a longer period of time, you have to just wrap your greens in foil, or line your veggie drawers with the aluminium foil. It keeps things fresh longer. Stain free. You have to just sprinkle baking soda. Use of baking soda is actually very good. It neutralizes all the bad smells. So baking soda, if you use with lemon, scrub with half a lemon, it lifts all the stains, and it kills odors and leaves it smelling super fresh. It actually help you. So you guys have to give it a try and let me know how it goes. And if you found this vlog helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy kitchen hacks.